Hello coders. Today in this particular Excel video, we'll be discussing upon a function, inbuilt function in Excel known by the name of median. Now what it does is that it takes in a range of cell and returns the middle value out of it. Now as being shown to you in the string or on the screen, that if the range of cell contains a odd number of values, then it will return the median, I mean the middle of it. So middle means that out of those numbers, which one stands in the middle, I mean the middle range. While this is a scenario for odd number, what happens if it is an even? So for odd 5, the middle value would be 3. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 3 is the middle value. Now what will be the scenario if there are 6? I mean 6 is a even number. Then what it will be doing is that it will be summing up. So 6 means it will be summing up 3 and 4, and it will be dividing it by 2, or you can say that it will be taking up an average of 3 and 4. That's median. Now the question arises that why should we be concerned about this median function and what is the use of it. So suppose you have a school. Also notice that here in each of my tabs, here the tabs in in this Excel workbook, I have given a particular color formatting. You can easily do that on your own by simply naming a sheet is pretty simple. You just need to double click on it and you are ready to rename the particular Excel sheet. Alternatively, you can right click on it. So right clicking on it will give you an option for rename. Like right clicking, here is the option for rename. And for the tab color, right click on it and here is the tab color. By this methodology, I have given color to this particularly 4 Excel sheets. But this median function, where I have defined what I am trying to achieve or what is the function of median, I have not given any color, I mean tab color. So say suppose I want to enroll my kid to a school. Now I want to know that I know that my kid is not a superhero, or my kid lies in the average range. So what is the possibility of the outcome of him after class 10? So what is the performance of the school? What is the average marks being scored by the student in that particular school? I am considering that he won't be a first boy or he won't be a last boy, but what is the average? What is the average? I mean, what is the average uh, kids who are scoring in this school? Again, if I am going to a company, I may not be promoted as a vice president, Vinod Chauhan, who is drawing 52,356 rupees. Again, I might not be the clerk one who is drawing 22,000, the lowest value. So what is the middle? I mean the middle. I mean what is the probability that I can draw if I am standing in the middle point of view? So that's how you can use the median value. Now I will be using this median function to find out this school event, how it works. It's pretty simple. Equal to median, the name of the function, and you have to select the range of the cells. After that, close the braces and press enter. So it's 58. Now how to tell you whether this 58, there is no 58 in my range of cell. So let me check once again. Median B2 to B7, yeah. So there is no 58, 56, 87. Okay, so let me short this particular data range and see what happens. So there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 means it is an even number. So I told you earlier that for even number, what it will be doing is that for 6, we'll be having 6 means the median value would be 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 would be added up and then divided by 2. Let's see whether it is working correctly or not. So what I will be doing is that I will be doing a custom sort, and the sorting would be based on the marks from smallest to largest. So these two are the middle values, right? So what we will be doing is that equal to braces on, we will be adding these two values up and we will be dividing it by 2. The answer is 58. So the result which have been populated by the median function by Excel is working properly. Again, we will be doing the same thing using the average function. You can do anyways. I mean, you can use any of these two methodology. Select these two cells and close the braces and press enter. Is again 50. Now, what is the scenario? So here the spelling of the school is odd. So let's practice how to rename. So go to rename section, and it would be not Sokul, it will be school, SCHOOL. I made a typing mistake. So what I will be doing is that here are 8 names. So who stands in the middle equal to median, and we'll be selecting this range of cells, and after closing the braces we'll be pressing enter. It's 56. Let's tell you whether the data Excel is populating is correct or not. So again we'll be going to sort and filter and then custom sort. The sorting would be done based on the marks and then smallest to largest. So the median value is this one, 56 is working correctly. So there is a probability that if I enroll my kid to this particular school, and if he is an average scorer, he might be able to score 56. I mean, he can be, 50. That's his percentile. So I need to look for a school where the average should be 70 or 80%. I need to enroll my school to that kind of school. So that's a predictability. And for the last one, company odd, let's try it out. So we'll be having equal to median. So is this a odd? No, this is a company event. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is still a event. So that the tab name which I have given company odd, it's it's a misspelled one. It will be company event. We'll be again selecting this range of cell and closing the braces and press enter. It's 27,562. Let's tally the result. So we'll be using the average function this time. So again the custom sort will be done based on the salary, and the median value stands is these two. These two are the median values. So we'll be using the function average, and we'll be selecting these two particular cell, and we'll be closing the braces and press enter. It's 27,562. Hope I am being able to clear out the way, the working, what is the use of median function and how you can utilize it on your own to predict your data. So if you like my video, do comment, subscribe, and if you have any question furthermore, do drop by some comment, as I encourage you, and it boosts my motivation, and I will be happy to solve all of your queries. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Happy coding, guys. See you again for another video. Thank you.